Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video, I'll be breaking down 3 sub-4 solves by Matty Inaba on the new GAN 14. So let's go. The first solve is a 373. He did this on blue cross. His cross pieces are here, 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 and here, and he's going to do an X cross, also setting up into a free second pair in the inspection. So first of all, we can notice that this orange and this red edge can be inserted very easily by 2 moves, L and R2, along with this yellow edge. And now we also notice 2 pairs. First of all, these 2 right in front, and these 2 at the back, brought over by this L move in the back. And normally, we would just do D prime, and then R2 to insert this edge. But here we can also notice we can do something with these 2. We can do R prime U to attach this F2L edge to its center, and bring these 2 together, downwards, and now we have a solved F2L edge. So all we have to do is solve this corner to complete the X cross, and we also notice these 2 are set up very nicely. So when we bring over the slot to insert this corner, we can also notice that this pair will also be set up in the back. And so after Matty brings over this block, he just straight up inserts that pair into the back. It's very quick and very efficient first 2 pairs. And now we have these 2, third pair and fourth pair. Very easy. And a very lucky last layer, just F inverse XCF prime and no AUF. Now, I know some of you guys might have noticed that Matty could have actually done a double X cross there instead of just an X cross. So we proceed as we did, and up to this point, we can notice that this will actually be a pseudo pair, a free pseudo pair to insert here. And so this edge will also be solved, and so we could just have to insert this corner into the back slot like this to complete a double X cross, and that seems very efficient. But the thing is, no matter how you solve this corner, you'll be left with a very, very bad fourth pair. So for example, if I insert like so, there will be this pair, this monstrosity of a pair left in the back slot, and if we do this, it will be the same. Right, and so that's probably why Matty did not choose that solution. Very great intuition here by Matty. Okay. Next solve, 358, absolutely bonkers solve, okay? This solve had like a 14-move F2L, which is absolutely crazy. Matty definitely planned full F2L here on this solve. I would have planned full F2L here on this solve. It is absolutely crazy. This is really a test to how much you can plan an inspection. And yeah, I will be walking over the entire F2L from cross to the last pair, all in inspection. Let's go. So our cross pieces on yellow will be here, 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 and here. And first of all, we can solve the cross by inserting these 2 at the back, like so, with B prime R. And then doing D, and then R prime FR to insert this blue edge. That will be our cross solution. And we continue to plan our pairs. So for example, for the first pair we'll look at is this block and this edge. You can notice that when we bring down these 2, we'll solve this block, and we'll also solve this edge at the back. So that's very nice. And notice we'll also solve this block as well, which corresponds to this edge. So basically we can do B prime R at the back. Now we just solve this pair, and you can also do a D to basically attach this edge to its center. And so we can notice that while doing R prime FR, this will go down here, pushing this edge to its own place and solving our second F2L pair. And what we also notice that we also solve this edge, and its corresponding corner is right here. So after we solve these 2 with R prime FR, we can just insert this corner right away. And we also notice our fourth pair. So while we do R prime FR, the fourth pair will become a free pair and will be paired up when I insert this corner to its slot. So basically, we have a triple X cross and an R U2 R prime to finish off F2L, and just a pretty bad full step last layer, but a 14-move F2L, which is absolutely insane. I'll walk over the planning again because this is just unbelievable. I've never seen such an easy scramble like this. But so solving these, but when you get such easy scrambles, it's crucial that you have great planning during inspection. Okay, now the fastest solve, a 334. So here again, yellow cross. We have our cross pieces here, 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 and here. Now, first of all, he's going to solve this green one. And usually we would just solve this red cross piece. But we also notice this block, so we can build an X cross out of this block. And its corresponding edge is right here. So when we do F2, we will break this block. And so what we can do is R prime F2, preserving this block, and do D prime F prime to solve this, and inserting this final edge. Note that we do not do it like this, because Matty also planned a second pair right here. And so he can do U prime, and then R, U prime, R prime, so that these two can be set up into a free pair. He can insert at the front, and then he rotates and does these two into the back, very easy third pair. And here, a very nice technique, instead of rotating to do this pair, Matty's solution is very efficient, and I would very recommend this. It is a bit longer, but it saves the rotation, and it's very fast to execute. So basically, it uses this commutator to solve this pair, and then insert it. So faster, it would just like this, and then sexy F prime with a U, a UF. So the first solve, a 373, had a F inverse sexy F prime, and this solve, the 334, had a F sexy F prime, which is pretty nice. So yeah, thanks for watching. Congrats on Matty for these amazing solves. The F2L again on the 358 is incredible. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.